Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. So 2012 is here, and it is here with a massive gap up. We gapped up, we opened at 6 in the morning Eastern time. We gapped all the way up to 1280, and that was sold right down, basically a 10 handle rule, down to just above the 1270, and we're currently trading 1274 half. So right now it's a 22 handle gap up into the open, and it's about 9:15 here on the East Coast. So a couple things. Am I excited to buy this gap up into the open? Not at all. I'm going to wait and see how it opens up, see if it can hold 1270 on a retest. Could it run up 2-3% without me today? Sure, but I don't like the risk reward buying a post-holiday 22 handle gap up, when the market has been, just so up and down lately. It's got to show me something. It's got to show that it can hold this gap, through the first couple hours of trading. And if it can, then I'll be waiting for a pullback to get long on. But I still think, as until proven otherwise, that these rallies need to be sold. Let's look at support and resistance. Let's do the upside first. Current trade 1273 half. So I've got 1277, 1280, 1283, and then the other high there, that the 1289.25, which is the number that we have been pointing at for a long time as the number where the bulls need to get there, and then they need to hold it. And when I say hold it, I mean close above it for a couple days. Otherwise, it is a very, very ugly double top in this market. Above that, 1293 or 1296 half. On the downside, 1273, 1268, 1263, 1258, and then you've got a zone of the daily and 3-day pivot from 1253.50 to 1254.75. So if we're going to come down and fill that gap today, which is not really likely, that would be a pretty ugly gap fill. It could come right down to test that daily and 3-day pivot zone. But I don't expect that today. It's just we've come up so far. And then below that, 1247, 1243. That should get you through today's trade. So Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. Hope everybody had a fantastic New Year's celebration. Let's hit the ground running for 2012. I will see everybody tomorrow morning. Trade them well.